everyone, welcome to Silly Crafts. I'm Cece and this is Ollie. Today we're going to be showing you how to make these fun mini foods. We made some cucumbers and tomatoes. So in Canada we say tomatoes. In Australia they say tomatoes. And in Spanish we call them tomates. What do you call them? And our eggs. I don't like the smell of eggs, but I love eating eggs. Me too. And popsicles. Ew. So we have breakfast, lunch, and dessert. What do you call cheese that's not yours? Nacho cheese. You got it. So for this craft, you're gonna need popsicle sticks, some stuffing or some cotton. We took some from an old bear. Scissors, but be careful and always ask for a grown-up to help you. Some felt. We got some from the dollar store. And a glue gun. But be careful with this one, it's hot. Start by cutting out your shapes and then gluing only half so you can stuff it. And then glue it shut. My mom did all the gluing because this glue gum is super hot. For the tomatoes and cucumbers, just cut out circles and then little teardrop shapes inside to look like seeds. Did you know a tomato is not a veggie? It's actually a fruit. Did you know cucumbers have a lot of antioxidants? To make the popsicle look more realistic, we cut out these long skinny rectangles to create the sides. And then we glued that together.
Popsicle. Popsicle. Pop. Can you? Yep. Can you say pop? Sickle. Popsicle.
Hey, did we get this subscribe button yet? Now we just glued the popsicle stick inside and then glued it shut. Did you hit the like button yet? Ew, it's not real. Yes, they are. They look real. You're so gross. No. Give me yours. Hey. You're running a popsicle dessert. So you can take the sauce off if you want. And we also added sprinkles. Don't forget to hit the like button and the notification bell. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in our next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. How do you say cucumbers in Spanish? I think it's pepino. Why wouldn't the shrimp share his treasure? Because he was a little shellfish. Like selfish, but shellfish. Ow! Oh, whoa. What? It's going white. What are the bees on the weekend? Bee weekend. Buzzy. Like big.